Hi, welcome to a new video. I'm Chris and today I'm going to explain the SMALLRIG feature Brandon Lee all-in-one mobile video kit co-design edition. This is a kit from SMALLRIG but co-designed with Brandon Lee, and he makes very good videos with a smartphone, and he designed together with SMALLRIG a new kit. So that's why the SMALLRIG versus Brandon Lee kit, and I'm going to unbox it today, see what's in it, and tell you if it's any good or not. So let's start right away. If we open the box, or if we look at the box, we see SMALLRIG at Brandon Lee. Here we can see the good guy making some nice shots with his new product. On the left, Free Your Dream, and on the right it's also just SMALLRIG. And if we open this, we see already a very nice case. And on that case we also see SMALLRIG versus Brandon Lee. We have a handle here, we have a shoulder strap. And it's quite big for just a phone holder, but let's see what's in it. If we open the first layer, we see here the phone holder, but it's very nice. It's kind of green here versus black here. And then we have, of course, if you want to store a power bank or an external SSD on holder. We have the big cage. It's rather a big cage, and it's nice to know that this ring is also magnetic. So if you have an iPhone, it will also stick on there, but you also have the extra safety pins here that you can adjust. We can see here that we have a little thing for the ND filters, later more about that. What's also in the box, it's some kind of USB hub. Indeed, we see USB 3.1, USB 2.0. We have here the power delivery and also a USB 2.0. We have an extra USB-C cable. It's quite flexible. It's nice. We have some Velcro cable tie. We have all the manuals of all the different products included in this kit. And on this side also extra warranty information, and we are here for you from SMALLRIG. But it's not the only thing that's in this kit. If we go further, because the thing has two compartments. And if we open this, on the side we have a SMALLRIG cleaning cloth. It's very good for the ND filter, because here we also see the variable ND filter. It's a 2 to 5 stops ND filter. And this is really handy if you want to film with your mobile phone and you want to adjust the settings that you have. For example, 30 frames per second, and you have a shutter speed of 1/60. And we have some extras here, and this is to block out the light. You can see it's for iPhones, mobiles, but we also have different ones for other mobile brands. And then we have the side handles, and this feels rather good. You have two clicks here that you can click on the side handle, but you can also, if you can see it here, iOS, Android. So I think it's a wireless shutter, and you can zoom with this. We have a USB-C port here and here. Nice to know is that you also can insert an NVMe SSD inside here, so you can film with the memory in this side handle. And this feels rather sturdy, it's nice. We have here an Arca switch type plate, and you can also connect this to the rig. And this is the other side handle where you can also click it to the rig, and you can also easily change this. And I had just the time to play with this kit, and I really like this kit, but there are some disadvantages when I first tried it. And one of the things has to do with this magnetic ring. So you can install your iPhone on this. I will show you. We can open this two latches here, and then we can put the iPhone in it like this, and it magnetically clips into it. But the disadvantage is, you can see it here, the cameras are not completely lined up. So you really need to line up the cameras, a bit like this. And then you can push this button. It snaps into place, those two holders here. And then it's lined up perfectly. But why is a circle there? I don't know. It's just a gimmick, I think. You could use it if you don't use the ND filter. then it's possible to use that magnetic circle. But yeah, if you want a rig like this, one of the main things to use is the ND filter. All in all, I'm very pleased with it. It's very nice that you unclip the handles like this and you can clip them on every side like this, and you can film like this. I also tried that. It's very nice to use. You can install all kind of equipment on it, like external SSD, microphone, lights, everything is possible to install on this. You can even remove this rubber thing here and also install some extra microphone or light or additional things that you want to have. The same goes with this. You can remove this wireless shutter. But all in all, I have to say the first impressions are good. I really like to use this rig, so I'm going to use it more. If you like the video, please click on that thumbs up button. Please subscribe, of course, and then I will see you in the next video.